Welcome to the fourth episode of Mallorca Wedding Academy. Today, I will tell you about the next step of wedding planning, setting the budget. I will tell you how to set your budget, how to organize the payments, and how much the Mallorca wedding costs. I'm Magdalena, I'm Polish and I'm wedding planner specializing in unique weddings in Mallorca. I was also a bride in September 2024, so I really know how it's like to dream about a perfect wedding. If you are searching for a fairy tale wedding in stunning location with amazing view and beautiful weather, you found the perfect place to find out how to organize your dream wedding in Mallorca. Why setting a budget is so essential? Why we do it in the first steps of planning? Setting the budget will help you to reduce stress, to organize yourself and to plan your wedding really smooth. And also will help you to prioritize. When you start to plan your wedding, you will have a lot of videos and pictures on YouTube, in Instagram, Pinterest, everywhere, and you will just be very euphoric and you will say, I want this, I want that, I want this, I want this. And then suddenly you just order too many things, you hire too many services, and you spend too much money than you already planned before. That's why it's very important to have your budget in the beginning. First step is to define your maximum budget. You need to know how much you feel comfortable to spend on your wedding day and what is absolutely maximum for the wedding. My advice is to separate the budget for the wedding day from the budget for the travel. When you do destination wedding, you will need to also have a flight, accommodation, transport, etc. Separate this from the wedding day and say what is your maximum budget for the wedding day. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do it now. Push the subscribe button and be updated with the best tips how to organize your dream destination wedding in Mallorca. Step 2. Categorize your budget. To make the different section for your budget on the wedding day, it will help you when you will be spending your money in each category. For example, the catering and the venue, it's mostly around 60% of a whole wedding budget. Photographer and the videographer, it's around 10 till 15% of the whole budget. Then the decoration and flower around other 10%. DJ 10%, and then the transport and the small things like the gifts, etc. are 5 till 10%. Music and entertainment around 10% of the wedding budget. My advice: keep in mind what is the most important for you on your wedding day. What is what you've been dreaming about when you start to dream about your destination wedding? Is it to have a great live band or amazing flowers or any great entertainment? What is the most important for you to have a great wedding? Also remember that the most important things to have the best wedding, it's great music and great food. Without those two, you will not have the best wedding. Nobody will care about your beautiful flowers if the food and music was really bad. People want to have a good food and good fun, and you as well. Step 3. Find out how much the wedding costs. This is the question that all the couples do when they start to plan the wedding. Normally, we don't know how much the wedding costs, and it's normal. We probably will get married just once, so we don't know how much does it cost. Here now I will tell you what is the approximately prices in Mallorca. Of course, everything depends on what you like, and how luxurious your wedding should be. First thing, the catering and the venue. The venue starts from 3,500 euros for the venue rental for the wedding day. Of course, depends which venue you choose. Catering. The prices depends on how many people you have, but let's say you invite around 100 guests. You need to count around 190 euro per person. It will include the welcome drink, the aperitif, dinner, and 3 hours open bar. Then if you want to add extra, it's extra charge. Photo and videography, it's around 4,000 euros. Decoration and flowers, or depends what you choose, but it's around 2,000, 3,000 euros approximately for the basic packages of decoration and flowers. DJ for a whole day starts from 1,000 euro for a whole day. Celebrant who will run the ceremony starts for 800 euros for the ceremony. All the other things are extra. If you want to have a live band, then depends which live band, they charge different amount of money. You can have also entertainment like caricaturists who will paint all your guests during the open bar, which is around 1,000 euro for 3 hours. You can have a magician for aperitif hour, which is around 500 euros. You can have photo booth for open bar, which is around 500-600 euros as well. My advice, remember that in Mallorca it's very common to receive the offer without the tax, plus tax. Check if the offer that you receive is with the tax included or it's a part. The tax in Mallorca is for catering normally 10% and for most of the other providers 21% extra. Check it before you confirm the offer. Step 4. Make the list of payments and also when you should make them. Normally the providers like photographers, videographers, DJs, celebrant, etc. will ask you to pay the deposit between 20 and 30% in the moment of the booking to ensure the date. Then you will pay the rest in the month or the week of the wedding. The catering usually asks to make the few payments and finish them around a month before your wedding. My advice is to make the payments before. It's easier if you are making the payments in different time, like that there will be no problem with your bank with international transfers of that amount of money. As you see, budget setting is very important in the first moment of wedding planning. It helps you to have less stress, to prioritize and to consider which providers you like and how your wedding should look like. I hope this episode was helpful for you, and if you need any more help, you can reach me out and find out about our wedding planning services here in Mallorca. And if you need more tips, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated. In the next episode of Mallorca Wedding Academy, I will tell you how to hire the providers, how to choose the best one, and how to check all the contracts and much more. Stay updated, subscribe, and see you in the next episode. And if you have any questions, write them in comment. I will answer everyone.